Hello friends, Drew here in 𝗗𝘁'𝘀, Pennsylvania, working in the basement of a home. Customer called us when they discovered that one of the floor joists was split out here, and there was a big giant gap in it, and we're not sure if the plumbers caused that, trying to make space for something, or if that was something left over from the original framing, although we're not sure how they would have passed their framing inspection if that had been like that to begin with. So Michael came in here this morning. He disconnected the electric that was run through the joists that are going to be in our way, and moved a couple of the drop ceiling all out of the way. That took a fair amount of time getting that ready. And then we are getting ready to sister this and throw this back in. We've got a new 2x10 down here on the floor. Actually had two of these. Put some glue in the back sides. We've got some 3-inch washer head screws that we're gonna run through this once we get it up there. And so that's gonna get sandwiched in against that board to reinforce things. We did check the floor upstairs. Everything seems fairly level, but we don't want to leave that big giant opening that's up there. So we're going to get that sandwiched and start putting this back together. So we've got our first sister up on this side of things. We've got our second one tucked and ready. Got our adhesive on there. I did leave a little void here at the bottom where the chunk is missing out of the floor joist. Once we finish adjusting the screws on this side, getting some nails moved out of the way, we're going to take this piece, put it up on the other side, sandwich it back. Side number 2. So that's going to give us a good sandwich down there where the injury is. And let the boards run down this direction. Then we'll put the electric and the drop sign back together. So we've got the two sisters on here. They are glued, they are screwed. We got washer head screws in there help holding these things together. Michael is working on recutting the bridging, so it's gonna be the proper width for it. We're actually gonna put just a 2x6 across there to help keep everything straight where it needs to be. And it's kind of overkill at this point, but it's just there to make sure that things are happy. So you can see just how much of that wood was missing and how much we're cutting that into that, and just helping make that repair. So that's going to be 100% better. So then the next step now that we're going to be working on is getting the couple pieces of electric pulled back through, wired back together, and the drop ceiling back up. So those are the next steps. So this is the next part of the puzzle, is starting to figure out how to get all the different sections of the drop ceiling back in. Michael and I have the mains put back across, and we've got our short connectors in back here, and now we've just got to kind of piece in that last corner and figure out exactly how to get those pieces right. And there's a sequence to it. If you put them in the right order, it goes real smooth. If you don't put them back together in the right order, you wind up jamming yourself up and you got to take something back apart. So working on getting the drop ceiling back together, and we're just about finished with this. So that's pretty much it from here. We've got the rest of the track up. We just got to finish throwing in the ceiling tiles, and this job is going to be complete. If we can help you solve a problem, 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 is your full service construction and renovation company. Pennsylvania home improvement contractor number 88078. Take a picture of what's bugging you, what the problem is that you're having at your house. Give our team a call weekdays, 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon at 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for 𝗗𝘁'𝘀 Construction and Renovation, extension 2 for new projects. Our team will be happy to assist you. Fastest way to reach us, of course, is take a picture, send it to us on our Facebook page, facebook.com/𝗗𝘁'𝘀. Click that message us button, and we're available 9:30 to 2 weekdays to serve you there. If you're watching us on YouTube, make sure you click subscribe and grab that notifications bell so you get updated with all the home improvement tips and videos and renovations that we're working on here. Remember, when we're finished with your project, you'll be proud to say it's not just done, it was 𝗗𝘁'𝘀. For Michael and I, we'll catch you guys in another video. Bye for now.